Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone do not disturb mode permanently turned on issue. If a iPhone does not disturb feature is seemingly stuck or permanently enabled, there are a few steps you can try to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is toggle do not disturb mode on and off. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. The insecure do not disturb icon is not highlighted like grey out. Simply tap on it and try to disable it. If this doesn't working, then you have to do is check do not disturb settings. Go to your settings, go to focus, and ensure that the schedule is turned off. If you don't want to, if you don't want do not disturb mode to be activated at specific times. So you have to go to your work. Like if you have set up any schedule, then you have to do is simply delete them. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. So you have to go to your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Update may include bug fixes that address issues with features like do not disturb. You have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Guys, after trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.